talking easy peasy 2-ingredient tequila cocktails. Because sometimes simplicity is truly key. I'm gonna be sharing with you 10 different mixers that pair perfectly with tequila. But first, let's talk about the fact that if you have a really good quality tequila, you really don't even need any mixer. Like Suavecito, the tequila that I have here with me today. From the Blanco to the Extra Añejo, this is a great sipping tequila. If you're drinking the Añejo, Extra Añejo, you don't even need ice. It's that smooth. If you want to get your hands on a bottle of this tequila, be sure to check out shop.suavecitotequila.com. First up on our list is tequila and carbonated water, aka club soda or even mineral water. This is so light and refreshing. It's great for somebody who is, maybe watching those calories. If you add some lime juice to this cocktail, you now have a ranch water, which is my go-to cocktail. And you can order this at any bar. Every bar has club soda. Tequila and tonic water. Tonic water is a carbonated beverage made with quinine, which, fun fact, was originally used to treat malaria. You can find tonic water at any bar, any grocery store. This is for somebody who likes their cocktails bittersweet. Tequila and some lemon lime soda. It is no surprise that this mixer goes well with tequila. I mean, hello, tequila and limes are made for each other, so lemon lime soda, it's a perfect pair. Any brand, Sprite, 7-Up, Sierra Mist, the low budget Walmart version, whatever you want to use, it's gonna go great with some tequila. Tequila and ginger ale. Do you like ginger ale? If you like ginger ale, you're definitely gonna like this one. I just love me some ginger ale. It's sweet, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Try it if you haven't, tequila and ginger ale. It's good. Tequila and ginger beer. You are actually one lime squeeze away from a Mexican mule with this cocktail. This is actually one of my favorites at the moment. This is a bit more crafty of a mixer and it has a really nice spicy kick to it. Like ginger ale, this is also made with ginger, but it's not as sweet. If you like something with a lot of flavor, not too sweet, this is for you. Tequila and pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is sweet, it's tart, and it pairs perfectly with tequila. It also makes a really great chaser if you're a little baby and you need a chaser when you're doing shots. I mean, you don't need it with Suavecito, but if you like something to completely take away from the bite after taking a shot of tequila, pineapple juice is where it's at. Tequila and orange juice. Who doesn't love a fresh glass of orange juice? Orange is a citrus, so naturally citrus goes well with tequila. Add a little bit of grenadine to this cocktail and you have a tequila sunrise. Tequila and orange juice, match made in heaven. Tequila and grapefruit juice. Now you either love or you hate grapefruit juice, I'm gonna say that. Out of the 3 juices that we're recommending to go with tequila today, grapefruit is the least sweet and it's even a little bitter. And to take it up a notch, add a salt rim to this cocktail and then you have a tequila salty dog. You're basically a mixologist at that point. You're welcome. Tequila and yellow Red Bull. Ooh, things are getting crazy. This is actually my favorite Red Bull. The yellow Red Bull is like a tropical flavored Red Bull. You get like mango, pineapple. It's got a lot of flavor to it and it's really good. If you like energy drinks and you want to turn all the way up, try mixing some yellow Red Bull with some tequila. You're gonna have a really good night. Last, we have tequila and pineapple soda. We've already established that pineapple is a great pairing with tequila, so just add some bubbles to it and I mean, just imagine how delicious this tastes. Now maybe this is not one that you can find at every bar that you go to, but it is definitely worth the try. Look for it at your local grocery stores. Today we're using Jarritos, but they have different brands of pineapple soda as well that you can try. It's freaking delicious, okay? Did you know that tequila is the only upper out of all the spirits, okay? You're gonna be a happy drunk.